Hello everyone, today we will tell you about our project Home Automation. Before we start, I would like to introduce you to our team members who are Adhya, Saaransh, Amber, Kushagra and Ayana. To begin with, our projected idea is a house which is fully automated with some useful and exclusive features. The target audience of our project Home Automation are specially abled people and people who want to save time in day-to-day activities.
What is the problem? Why do we need home automation? We need home automation because normal houses aren't safe enough and many burglaries take place. Also, normal houses aren't as sustainable as automated houses. In automated houses, the electricity and water are saved as it automatically switches off lights, fan, etc. and automatically times the sprinklers.
We did two types of researches, which are primary and secondary. For our primary research, we took surveys of many people. Some said that home automation was making people lazier, and some said that it was making our work more efficient.
Secondary research. For our secondary research, we used Google and researched about microcontroller, Bluetooth, working of internet, motor driver and resistors. From this research, we learnt about many things that would help us in our project.
We also did market research on an existing product, Google Home. We found out that it has excellent customer reviews. However, customers have problem with it saving data on the Google database and also its inability to understand different dialects and languages. So, to combat with this problem, we decided to remove the voice command feature.
Programming language. To program our project, we used Arduino. Arduino is a high-level programming language made specially for education.
Before making the final drawing, we made some layouts to decide how many floors we were using, how many bedrooms we were using, what all facilities we had to provide in our final product.
After all our rough layouts, we finalized the features in our house and made this map using AutoCAD.
We also made a flowchart, firstly to see what all programs we were using and secondly to see what were the if-else statements of our programs. For example, for a door, if it's true that a person is standing in front of it, then the door will open, and if no one is standing in front of it, then the door will remain closed.
Our success criteria. Our house has PIN code protected gates and automatic doors. Also, our fans, AC, curtains, etc. are controlled by a mobile app. Even the garden has automatic water sprinklers.
We then made a planner to see what all tasks we had to do, what all materials we had to use, and how much time it would take to make the final product.
Now it was time that we had to start building our houses. So we made a list of materials that we needed so that the school could make them available for us. The materials that we needed were MDF, glue, hinges, LED light, sprinkler, plastic sheet, keypad, motion sensor, Wi-Fi modem.
We had used many programs and automations for our final product. One of the most important programs was of the intrusion detection window because this is one of the most important features for security.
We reflected upon our first 4 months to see how much we had learned.
In the FA 1 and 2 of this unit, we wrote our reflections of the whole year. This was to show what all problems we faced and what all new things we learned.
This is a reflection of all the time we have worked on this project.
We had to make some changes based on the functionality and practicality of our final model. Firstly, we had decided that our sprinkler will sprinkle water based on the moisture of the grass. But now we are changing it to time loops based on whether it's day or night. Firstly, we had decided that all the AC, the lights, the curtains will work based on claps. But now we have decided to develop a software that will be controlling all these appliances. Firstly, we have decided to use sunboard, but because of the inability to find sunboard, we had to use MDF.
These are some pics of us working on a project.